we're a mess. What else is new? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming, yes, but that's not what I wanted to say. Today I am sitting down to open up some packages with you guys because I have been buying some things that I need for baby, for me, be a little few unnecessary things. I honestly don't remember what I bought. We have like a whole bunch of Amazon, a Target, and then a couple other things that I bought from Target. I just wanted to share with you guys. So let's just jump right into this. It is Sunday. I just got back from having burgers with one of my friends. Oh, excuse me, and baby boy is very happy now. So, and also I probably will be drinking this during the video. I don't need the judgments. I don't need the judgments. We have the Palmer's cocoa butter for massage oil, massage lotion for stretch marks. And this is a repurchase for me. I recently just went through a whole bottle of this from the moment I found out I was pregnant with my son. I have just been using this every single night for the most part. I mean, here and there, like I missed a few nights, but it's fine. Just because I really like the texture of this and it seeps really easily into my skin, that whole thing. I actually bought this in a kit a while ago, like the mommy kit that came with like a body butter and a body oil, but I just do not like the body butter. I think it's just way too oily for me and just left me feeling really sticky. I like to put this on my chest, my belly, and my hips, even though I do have previous stretch marks from years and years of, you know, my weight being everywhere, but prevent other ones. I really like it a lot and it does smell really nice too. So we had to repurchase that. But this is the Vaseline Healing Jelly Cocoa Shimmer Jelly Stick. I thought this would be great for the summertime and also just for me in general. This smells like cocoa butter and it's shimmery. So it's, ooh, okay. That's actually really nice. Okay, cool. Would just be nice for, you know, having dry skin, or actually going to buy the Kapari one that's shimmery and has like SPF in it for the summertime, which I still might do just for me. This just was like talking to me last week when I went to Target and I was like, well, I'm just gonna wait, but this time so that will probably be going with me everywhere. So got another brush. This is very random. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator. Not using it for putty primer. I've been looking for another stippling brush because I recently washed my brushes and unfortunately a few of them have died. I wanted to get another one that I could put into like my cream bronzer that I use all the time, this Chanel one, or any other like cream bronzer, just to like get it on my skin or blend it out, or we'll see how it goes. I have a million brushes, but I'm coming to the realization, especially when I wash them, that they're falling apart. They are very old. It is time to replace some of them, Samantha. And also some brushes that are really crap quality. Like, why did I keep them for as long as I did? Could not tell you. Okay, and then I bought these two. I don't know if I'm keeping them or one of them. I did buy a while back, let me pull it out, an e.l.f. lip oil in pink quartz, because obviously everyone loves these and they're pretty good from what I've tried. And so I was like, oh, let me get another color. So I got this one in Coral Fixation, which looks really pretty for the summertime. But then after I bought it, I was like, am I gonna wear this? Am I gonna use this? I don't know if I'm actually going to use this. So I'm still figuring it out. I think I might just keep it anyways, just because I don't think it's that different of a color. Like if anything, it's just like, you know, more coral. Duh. Buy this Pixi by Petra On The Glow Super Glow highlighting stick because I loved the blush stick. Not so much the bronzing stick, but the highlighting sticks just seem to be really nice. And I don't know, now that I have it, it just looks very yellowy and I'm not really into a yellow highlight. I really like champagne-y or white highlights on me. I feel like they go up better and look nicer on me. So I think I'm gonna be returning this because this was $18. Our first Amazon package. I'm like collecting for like 2-3 weeks now, so don't think this is all, I mean, it was all in one go, but oh, yay! So the first thing, this is all you guys are gonna get a sneak peek of. This is a maternity dress that I bought. I'm planning on taking maternity pictures this coming April. I'm very excited about it. What this is for. And that's all you're gonna see. Argyle. Argyle. In theaters, February 2nd. By the way, this is a surprise to me too, because I don't remember what I bought. Oh! So these are maternity shorts. I bought some like maternity biker shorts for the summertime. I still will be pregnant for the whole month of June, so I want to be comfortable. Oh wait, no, this is not the maternity. No, it's not. That's wrong. Cute little like maternity like bra and short set that I could just throw on when I'm around the house or when I have to go do errands or something. So yes, I will be and am still that girl that wears crop tops while I'm pregnant. I don't care. And there's also things I just don't remember buying, which is fun. Oh, I know what this is. So I ended up buying, oh no, did it leak? Did it leak everywhere? It looks like it leaked. I ended up buying another one of these because I did buy one, the one I'm using now, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I just went on Amazon and bought another oil pulling oil. This has been helping me a lot, especially ladies if you're pregnant with your teeth, because apparently your teeth are one of the things that will deteriorate while you're pregnant. And also take your vitamins, vitamin D, own health and support, because we're not losing teeth. I've seen a few girls on TikTok which rock dentures but have expressed that they've lost their teeth during pregnancy or because they were pregnant, and that really scared me. So hence why we are taking care of them at all costs. I ended up getting a pack of these just Amazon t-shirts. They're extra large just for, again, when I get bigger, because I'm already halfway through my pregnancy. None of my clothes are making it anymore, like especially for work. A lot of my t-shirts are just making it past my bump now, so I need some other stuff to throw on so I don't look weird. Oh, I know what these are. These are like long sleeves. If you're in the healthcare field, you wear underneath your scrubs, but I figured I would buy them for me for pregnancy just because I could have other shirts to wear. However, it is going to start getting warmer here, so now I don't know if I want to keep these. I think I'm gonna end up returning them. Let's be real. I was thinking more so when it's cold out, I could just throw those on with leggings or whatever and go to work. I'm also still on the fence about buying maternity jeans. I feel like it's a little bit of a waste, but maybe I'll buy a pair or two. I don't know, because I don't know how much bigger I'm gonna get. That's why I'm like, I don't know what to buy. I don't know when to buy it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a little like, never done this before. Potential dress contender for my baby shower. That's not for a few more months, but I wanted to start like buying like different dresses now, because again, I'm not a dress person, but if I'm pregnant, I will be a dress person. Like, I don't care. Like, I bought a couple dresses too from, I'm gonna say it, from Temu. Yes, I know, only because I bought some decor off of there for my baby shower. So I was like, oh, let's get some dresses, and I just don't like them. They're going back. Potential baby shower contender. Okay, so these are maternity shorts, the biker shorts that I was telling you guys about earlier for the summertime. These actually look humongous, so I hope these will fit by the time that baby is getting bigger and almost makes his appearance. So I got a couple pairs of those, which is again from Target. I ordered myself a few things. It's been a while because I couldn't resist this Barbie skinny dip collection, and I was telling one of my friends, because we were like gagging over it, like, I need this Barbie Malibu sweatshirt. So cute. I probably should have got it in a large, but my brain was like, get it in an extra large. It'll be cute. It'll be comfy. And it does actually feel really nice quality. So I'm impressed. So Barbie Skinny Dip Lemon London. Hello. Nice. I'm really excited to wear this, and it'll be big enough for when I'm pregnant too. But even after, like, I'll still wear this. Okay. This was also random. Don't know if I'm keeping this. I really liked these shirts that came out. That one was like Chevy, one was Ford, one was, you know, like all different cars and stuff like that, and trucks. So I got this Ford one that says Bronco, just for the Ford Bronco, because I just thought this shirt was really, really cute. And this is in an XL, so I can wear this for now. But she's really cute. I really like her. You should have got it bigger. This is running kind of small, I'm not gonna lie. She's cute though. I like the quality. I like that it's not peeling, because you know you buy a shirt and it's like peeling and you're like, why? Last thing that I got. You've seen them all over TikTok, all over Instagram. I had to get these, okay? They were speaking to me, and a lot of my clothes I can't wear right now anyways, because they're just way too tight, and I can't. So I got these PJ pants in an extra large, so they will be nice and stretchy, and I can wear them. Oh, they're so cute. Hello Kitty! Obviously Hello Kitty. I'm like obsessed with Hello Kitty. It's not even funny. That is everything that I got recently. I did just make a whole nother order on Amazon. I'm gonna be honest and real with you guys for a second. Since my last pregnancy update, I have an update. I have recently started to, ladies, most of my demographic is women anyways, so this is not going to sound as gross as it probably does, or maybe it does. I have started to leak. I bought some things off Amazon today to help with that. I guess that can happen at any point in pregnancy, so if you're never been pregnant before, that's something else that happens. It's not as scary as it is annoying, so we've just been dealing with it, and that's all there is to it. So I did buy some stuff for that. I bought a couple pairs of maternity leggings that are not annoying, that I hope will fit, and that will go over my bump. I also, this is random, want to buy other, maybe more Skims underwear. I know that probably sounds weird, like why would you buy Skims? First of all, I love Skims underwear, but also for pregnant women, I feel like, at least for me, the ones, I've just been favoring my Skims one because of like the quality of, not even the quality, but just the material of them is very stretchy. I could put it over my bump. It's not like digging into my stomach, so to speak, compared to a lot of my other underwear. It also might sound weird, but I think I might be investing in some more Skims underwear just because they're comfy, they're easy, and as long as I'm, you know, as big as I am right now, they still are very comfortable to me and work, so I'd prefer to be comfortable for the rest of my pregnancy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on my post notification when the fuck is a new video. I'm out of breath. Also, another pregnancy update. I've been aggravated to no end the last few days over either over little things or there's no reason. I just don't want you in my face, so go away. Not you guys specifically, just like whoever I'm around, I'm just like, get away from me. Get away from me. I will wreak havoc right now. Do you want me to wreak havoc right now? Because I will. So yeah, that's the whole postpartum rage. I'm having it now. I'm having prenatal rage. As long as it stays during the prenatal, I'm fine. But I also don't want to feel so much of this because I know my son feels all my emotions, and any other pregnant woman out there with their child, your kid feels your emotions, and I don't like that. Don't eat a lot of sugar. Have the cravings. Be a bad bitch. Go get that bag. You guys in my next video.